today we are making for the baked nipat. So for the ingredients here I have taken, this is 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of wheat flour, salt to taste, chili powder, sugar, onion, coriander leaves, curry leaves, so chili flakes, ghee, cooking oil and a baking powder. See, first we can mix up in this. First we'll mix the maida, wheat flour, sugar, salt to taste, 1 spoon of baking powder, chili powder, as per your taste you can add it, and coriander leaves, chili flakes and onion. So for this I can use 1 spoon of ghee, 1 spoon of cooking oil, first we can mix well. So you can mix well for this, and we'll add little bit water and make a soft dough. So I'll add a water here. So want to add, you can add for the lukewarm water also. Just add it. One cup. Baked nipat. So first we can use it for the low grill rack with a multi-cook pan. We can do for the preheating. First I'll keep along with the tawa. Here I can select for the maximum temperature of 220 degree and preheat. Okay, so while the time, see this is a dough I made it for this. So we'll make a shapes of this. So while the preheating you can keep inside for the thing. Yes. So this you want to make for the just we can once done, we'll open. So I can place it here. So this is we are using for the low grill rack with multi-cook pan. So here we can keep it inside. Set the time for 12 minutes. 12 minutes and start. This is in between once. Just we stir it and keep it back. So this is a one. See, it's baked nicely. Both the side the browning efficiency also come. The browning part we can turn and keep. So just last 1 or 2 minutes will be there. We can do that. So continuation of the time will be there. See ma'am. This is a crispy nipat is ready. So it comes to browning also. Okay.